Have you ever wondered what it would be like to vacation among the stars? Well, you're not alone. Space tourism, once a concept of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a reality. It's the new frontier in travel, a shift that represents a significant change in how we perceive space. For decades, space was the exclusive domain of highly trained astronauts, a place beyond the reach of ordinary people. But now, thanks to the pioneering efforts of companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, the cosmos is opening up. These key players are democratizing space, bringing it within the reach of anyone with a sense of adventure and, of course, a substantial budget. This shift is not just about technological progress, it's about a radical change in our collective mindset. We're moving from a world where space is a distant, inaccessible frontier to one where it's an exciting, achievable destination. No longer is space just for the chosen few, it's becoming the next big travel destination. But how did we get here? Let's trace the journey of space tourism. It all started in 2001 when Dennis Tito, an American businessman, became the first private citizen to fly to space. For a hefty fee, Tito spent nearly 8 days aboard the International Space Station, marking a pivotal moment in the history of space tourism. The next big milestone came in 2017 when SpaceX announced plans to send 2 tourists around the moon. Although the trip has been postponed, it set a precedent for ambitious space tourist ventures. Fast forward to 2021, when Inspiration 4, the first all-civilian spaceflight, successfully orbited the Earth. 4 everyday people, not professional astronauts, embarked on a 3-day journey, proving that space is no longer the exclusive domain of highly trained astronauts. From a distant dream to a tangible reality, space tourism has certainly come a long way. Of course, the path to the stars wasn't always smooth. The journey of space tourism has been marked by numerous challenges. The technical difficulties have been daunting, with the creation of safe and reliable spacecraft being a monumental task.